How are you? I'm Dave Baronelli with MarineMax, Danvers, Massachusetts, and we're here aboard the 285 Boston Whaler Conquest. I'd like to have you step aboard and go through the boat. As you'll see, stepping into the cockpit here, you've got an enormous area for both entertaining and fishing. There is a cockpit table that fills in here, nicely stores underneath the deck here. There's two fold-out seats, both here in the aft, and then there's another one here. Folds out very easily. There is two fish boxes, both port and starboard. Those both have macerators. Here you'll see there's a freshwater sink, an abundance of storage for two 6-gallon buckets. Here you'll notice there's a nice seat. This is going to be able to face forward, and you'll see this very easily converts. You have a footrest, and now you've got a great seat facing aft. As we move forward, when this seat goes aft, there's a nice table here that pulls out for entertaining, having lunch. There's also a filler cushion that fills in here, making a nice berth. Here on the helm seat, you'll notice you've got a nice 12-inch Raymarine screen, GPS, chop plotter radar, all built into one. You will notice up top here, there's a full windshield so that there's no isinglass that you have to deal with. There is a power vent here that opens so you can get airflow through here. And there is curtains that encloses on port and starboard, as well as right behind here, so this can be completely enclosed. So now we'll look at the cabin. Coming down here, you do have a full head that has a hot and cold shower, as well as a vacuum flush toilet with overboard discharge. Forward, you've got a nice entertaining area. Table folds out very easily, and this table does very easily deploy down. There's a cushion that fills in the middle, and that will make a bed for two adults. Here on the port, you do have a full galley, stove, refrigerator, microwave, hot and cold sink. In the aft, you do have a sleeping area for two adults, so the boat will sleep four comfortably. And you do have a flat screen TV in the boat, along with a DVD player, so the kids can be entertained. My name is Dave Baronelli, again with MarineMax, Danvers, Massachusetts. You can visit our website at www.marinemax.com, and my cell phone is 401-569-3874. Thanks, have a great day.